Hello everybody, welcome to ixamBee. Embrace the ixamBee learning experience and get your dream job. In one of my previous video, I told you about the eligibility in various law exams. You can check that out on a LegalBee YouTube channel. For ease of understanding, I have divided the law officer exams in three verticals. One related to regulatory bodies, another insurance and banking sector, and the third one is PSUs. You can check that video to know the eligibility of various legal exams in these bodies. In this video today, I am going to tell you how you can prepare for all these multiple law officer exams together. What all sources you can use. What is the syllabus for all these exams? This is what is the agenda of this video. For reference, I am going to use our MegaBee legal course. You can continue watching this video to understand the syllabus, to understand the strategy that you can use. You may or may not choose to join the course, but you can use the discussion in this video to understand how you can prepare for these multiple exams. This is our MegaBee legal online course, and using this course you can prepare for multiple legal exams together. In majority of these law officer exams, there is prelims, mains, and usually in the prelims you will find quant, reasoning, English, GA or some of these subjects. In mains you will find law and descriptive English. The pattern of various exams is different, but the topics, the subjects at least is common. So whenever you are starting preparation for all these exams together, whenever you are choosing to opt for multiple exams, when you are choosing to appear for multiple opportunities that are available for you to increase your chances of selection, start with the common areas first. Now the common areas for prelims are quant, reasoning, English and GA. In fact, for law graduates, it's better to focus on reasoning, English and GA first. GA is something that you have to do on a daily basis. So here in GA you will find Bpedia. This is daily current affair capsule by ixamBee. This is even available free of cost on our website. So you can check that here. You will find the daily Bpedia. Go through it on a regular basis. This will give you an idea of all the important news of that particular day. Then if you subscribe to our course, you'll find PIB current affair videos, economic banking, finance current affair videos and all. So you have to do GA on a daily basis plus read one editorial on a daily basis. Then coming to English. Now if you are strong in English, if your basics are good, then you may skip these initial 8 to 10 chapters. Parts of speech, tenses, these are all basics. You can skip up to 10th chapter or just attempt the test in these chapters. You can even use grammar books to brush up your basics related to these topics. The questions in English, the pattern of questions is usually from spotting errors, fillers, sentence improvement, sentence rearrangement, connectors, word usage, swapping, match the column, close passage, reading comprehension. So these are the areas that will give you practice of the exam kind of question. Now when you move to any particular chapter, try to attempt as many questions. Look for books if you are using your own sources. If you are using MegaBee Legal online course, prepare using videos, then crisp notes and then practice test at the end. So these will give you a lot of practice with respect to exam kind of questions. And then coming to reasoning. These are the majority of the chapters that you have to prepare in reasoning. Don't skip English, reasoning and GA. These three are the subjects that you must do. In SEBI Legal Phase 1 Paper 1, there is no sectional cutoff. You may even leave out quant. In IBPS SO Prelims, quant is not there. But in insurance exams, UIIC, NIECL, quantitative aptitude was there and there was sectional cutoff. So you need to do some of the topics of quantitative aptitude for those exams. But QRE is something which will help you clear the prelims or Phase 1. So here again, clear your basics. Practice easy to moderate to difficult level questions. In our course, you will find all the kind of questions from easy to moderate to difficult level divided into assignments, tests and videos. And here is descriptive English. Descriptive English is for mains. In a lot of exams, descriptive English is there. You can practice descriptive English on your own, at least for Pressy and comprehension. When you are reading the editorial in a newspaper, try writing it in your own words. So once you have gone through the editorial, write it down in your own words. Try to write it down in 100 to 150 words, and in this way you will have a good Pressy practice. Now coming to your legal part. So in legal, a lot of acts are common. Here common acts for all exams are given. So these are all the common acts. Constitutional law is common. Then in law of contracts, you have Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Sale of Goods Act and Partnership Act. These are mostly common for all the exams. Then you have criminal laws, which has IPC, CRPC evidence, corporate law, which has Companies Act, IBC and LLP. Then you have administrative law, interpretation of statutes and legal maxims, and then civil laws. In civil laws, you will have CPC, transfer of property, arbitration, conciliation. So these are most important acts which are common for majority of these exams. And when you are starting your preparations, start with these topics. Once you are done with these topics, once you are thorough with these topics, then you can move to exam specific acts. For example, in SEBI legal, securities laws are there. So you can check out the syllabus from the notification and go through the securities law in detail by referring to bare acts and look for practice questions. Or you can check out our. Similarly, you have laws for banking and insurance exams. All the laws present here, banking related laws, are useful for RBI legal exam, IBPS SO law, IBPS RRB law, Central Bank of India, Punjab Sindh Bank Scale 2 officer exams. All the banking related laws are present here. Then you have a chapter on insurance laws. Insurance laws are useful for IRDA exam, UIIC and IACL. And Hindu laws, a little bit of them are useful for banking exams. You may see some questions in IBPS SO law. Then there are laws for PSU exams. Labor laws are the one which comes in every exam related to the public sector undertaking, whether be it AI, be it Coal India or HPCL. So here aviation laws are for AI law exams, coal related laws are for Coal India exams, and subsequently more will be added as and when notification comes. Then laws for APP and PP exams. These are the laws which are useful for assistant public prosecutor and public prosecutor. These have prevention of corruption, money laundering, vigilance act, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. So these are laws which are specific for APP and PP exam that is supposed to be conducted on 17th. Then important case laws are useful for some of the exams. And here the landmark judgments are present of most important acts. I am showing all of this to you so that you have in mind what all you need to study in order to prepare for multiple exams. And for revision and practice, you will find section tests over here. These have high level questions which comes in SEBI legal and sometimes in other legal exams. Legal summary sheets are for quick revision, for last minute revision, so that you don't have to form your own notes. These legal summary sheets are concise document containing important sections and provisions from those sections which can help you for last minute revisions. And therefore you need not create your own short notes. So you can use this if needed. And then you have MCQ booklets. Here are the MCQ questions of IPC, LLP, especially of SEBI legal ones because the pattern changed recently. So here you have all the SEBI related laws MCQ booklets through which you can practice at your own pace, and descriptive questions for RBI legal and SEBI legal exams. These are all the topics, these are all the subjects that you should be using to prepare for multiple exams, starting with the common areas first. Plan your time in such a way that you are starting with the common acts, you are preparing the common acts, and then as and when any notification comes, you have enough time to prepare for that exam specific laws. Similarly, you have to look for mock tests for all relevant exams. Now, if you choose to subscribe to MegaBee legal course, if you feel this course can be useful to you, we are conducting MegaBee legal scholarship test on 17th of December. The test is available throughout the day. The test is of 30 minutes, only half an hour, and there will be 35 questions from the basic acts, Companies Act, Indian Contract, Constitution, Transfer of Property, IBC. The registration for this test is free. You can enroll and register through the link that is present in the description. To know more about the course, you can also download the brochure of this course present in the description. You can check out the course if you are interested to know about the offerings, about the personalized study plan which we prepare in this course. You can also use this video to understand what all you need to study, and you can collect sources and prepare on your own. Bare acts are definitely your Bible. If you want to check out this course, the details of this course, you can refer to the brochure that is present in the description. We at ixamBee help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below, or you can reach out to us on this number. You can also reach out to us on this number to have a counseling session arranged for you with respect to MegaBee legal online course or any other upcoming exam. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.